I know what you are thinking. Planking, that's so easy. Anyone can do it. And you're right. But don't underestimate the power of this simple exercise. Planking is a great exercise for improved core strength, improved posture, reduced back pain, increased metabolism, increased calorie burning, improved balance, and improved coordination. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what happens to your body when you plank for 1 minute every day. Benefits of daily planking. Improve core strength. Planking is a great way to strengthen your core muscles, which include your abdominal muscles, back muscles, and hip muscles. These muscles are important for supporting your spine, improving your posture, and helping you move more efficiently. Strong core muscles can also help to reduce back pain and improve your balance. Improved posture. Planking can help to improve your posture by strengthening the muscles that support your spine. When your core muscles are strong, they can help to pull your shoulders back and down and keep your spine in alignment. This can help to reduce pain and discomfort in your back, neck, and shoulders. Reduced back pain. Planking can also help to improve your flexibility, which can further reduce back pain. When your core muscles are strong, they can help to take the pressure off of your spine and reduce pain. Increased metabolism. Planking can help to increase your metabolism by building muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, so building muscle can help you burn more calories even at rest. This can help you to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Increased calorie burning. Planking is a great way to burn calories. A 1 minute plank can burn up to 10 calories per minute. This means that if you plank every day for 1 minute, you can burn an extra 300 calories per month. Improved balance. Planking can help to improve your balance by challenging your core muscles to stabilize your body. When you plank, you are required to keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. This requires your core muscles to engage and work together, which can improve your overall balance. Improved coordination. Planking can help to improve your coordination by challenging your muscles to work together in a synchronized way. When you plank, you are required to use your core muscles, your arms, and your legs to maintain a static position. This can improve your overall coordination. So, what are you waiting for? Start planking today. I hope you enjoyed this video about the benefits of planking every day for 1 minute. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great fitness content. Thanks for watching.